Your heart rate lags by minutes, and your pace lies to you on hills. But running power tells you exactly how hard you're working the instant your foot hits the ground. We've all been there. You hit a steep hill, your pace plummets, but your lungs are burning. Your GPS watch says you're slowing down, but your body knows you're working harder than ever. This is where running power bridges the gap. Unlike cycling power, which measures direct force, running power is an algorithm. It estimates the metabolic cost of moving your mass forward and upward against gravity and air resistance. Think of power as your effort-adjusted pace. The most critical advantage it has over heart rate is immediacy. While your heart rate can take 2 or 3 minutes to stabilize after a surge, power updates instantly. This makes it the ultimate pacing tool for variable terrain. To maintain a steady physiological effort on a hill, your pace must drop significantly. Power gives you the specific number to hold so you don't burn out halfway up. But here is where runners get confused. You might run with a friend, and at the exact same speed, your Stryd sensor says 200 watts while their Garmin says 350. Who is right? Neither is true in an absolute physics sense. Different devices use different algorithms to account for leg spring stiffness and air resistance. Don't compare your watts to a friend's. Only compare your watts to your own history. It's also crucial to understand what power does not measure. Power is purely mechanical output. It has no idea if you are dehydrated, if it's 90 degrees outside, or if you are fighting off a flu. This is why data-literate runners use power and heart rate together. Power measures the output, what your muscles are doing, while heart rate measures the cost, how your system is handling it. If your power is normal but your heart rate is sky high, back off. Your body is under stress. If your power drops, but heart rate stays stable, your form might be falling apart. Context is everything. So, don't obsess over the specific number. Use power to cap your effort on hills and headwinds. But keep an eye on your heart rate to ensure your body can handle the load. Master the watts, respect the heart rate, run smarter.